Hello and welcome to English with Amanda. Let's master the future continuous. What is the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense describes an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. It's great for talking about plans, ongoing actions and future arrangements. The formula is will plus be plus the verb ending ing. Example: this time tomorrow I will be relaxing on the beach. Formula 2. Subject: am, is, are plus going to plus base verb. Example: she's going to visit her friend tomorrow. Use 1. Actions in progress at a future time. We use the future continuous to show that something will be in progress at a particular moment. Example: at 8 p.m. I will be teaching my online class. Next week we will be traveling to Cairo. Use 2. Polite questions about plans. It's a softer, more polite way to ask about someone's arrangements. Example: will you be joining us for dinner? Will you be using the meeting room later? Use 3. Future background actions. Use it to set the scene for another future event. Examples: she'll be studying when you arrive. They will be sleeping when the fireworks start. To recap, future continuous is used for actions in progress in the future, polite questions, and background actions for another event. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to use the future continuous, but for now, goodbye and follow me for more interesting ways to use tenses. Goodbye, and I hope to see you soon.